In Zendesk, every interaction related to a support ticket is logged as an event. These events provide a detailed history of updates, changes, and notifications. Ticket events are a main tool for troubleshooting issues such as wrongly assigned tickets, missed notifications, or other modifications. They can be triggered by agents, customers, or automated processes. In this tutorial, you will learn how to read ticket events in Zendesk Agent Workspace. To view all events for a specific ticket, open the ticket you want to investigate. Then click the Events icon in the conversation header to toggle between conversations and events. Each ticket update appears separately and shows ticket properties, notifications, and user information in a chronological order. If a ticket status or ticket field's value was changed, the new value appears along with the crossed-out previous value. The events also tell which triggers, automations, SLA, policies, routing, and email communications acted on the ticket. For instance, if you want to see why a trigger fired on a ticket, you can click the title of the trigger and analyze its conditions. Status category events show you the updates on the ticket status, like open, pending, or solved. SLA policy shows you the response and resolution times that your support team delivers to your customers, or which SLA policy was applied if you use multiple ones. You can also check if the SLA was breached or achieved. Use this information to troubleshoot issues, track customer interactions, and agent responses. By utilizing this feature, you can enhance your support process and provide better service to your customers. When you finish reviewing the ticket events, click the Events icon to return to the conversation view. Thanks for watching.